Respected, okay. Respected dignitaries and learned professors and scholars. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. I am resident of Sangareddy in Telangana state only. I am assistant professor in history. Now I am going to present a paper on Rani Shankaramba. She is a lion of Metukusima. This is a hidden history and local history also. I am going to focus on a local history of Medak district, a princely state as Andol is capital city, ruled by Shaurya dynasty. This state area is about 700 villages and many forts. Rani Shankaramma ruled over this state in 17th century. Her early life and legacy of her ruling period and her leadership qualities are hidden story in history. Through this paper, I want to highlight a great woman warrior, good administrator, philanthropist and a great devotee of Ranganatha Swami. During the period of her crowning, she was facing many internal conflicts and court intrigues. Collaterals want to backstab her and capture the throne. In this phenomenon, she acted very wisely and found Nizam's trust and taking royal order for her sovereignty over Andol state. She built Papannapet, Chandampet, Sangareddy, Shankarampet and Rajampet forts. During the time of her ending age, she announced Sadashiva Reddy as her successor and died. Maharani Rayabagin Shankaramma belongs to Shaurya dynasty established by Shaurya Raminidu in 1358 AD. Their early capital city was Kalpaguru and later on it shifted to Andol state in 1416 AD. 14th century to 17th century various kings was ruled this kingdom. Rama Durga Venkata Narasimha Reddy ruled over this area 1720 to 1760. His wife only Rani Shankaramma. Shankaramma was born in normal middle class family in the year 1729. Her parents were Rajamma and Sangareddy belongs to Gaudicherla village. Her brothers was Pullareddy and Shembureddy. She was very handsome physique and good structure. By birth only she had brave and leadership qualities. During the time of hunting, King Narasimha Reddy saw her and attracted towards her attitude. He offered a ring to Shankaramma as Gandharva marriage, but she rejected and approached to her parents only. After that, Narasimha Reddy came back to Andol state and expressed his wish to marry Shankaramma. But his mother, Rani Dorasani Shivayamma don't like this marriage proposal because Shankaramma belongs to a lower middle class family and this marriage is no useful to expansion of Andol princely state. Their marriage was very splendidly happened in Andol fort. Many people, nobles were attended their marriage. Andol city was very richly decorated during this occasion. From now onwards, Shankaramma became Rani Shankaramba. She is very reciprocate towards his husband and give good suggestions and support in maintaining royal order. In this period only internal disputes was raised. Shivayamma adopted son Jeevan Reddy, his wife Lingayamma, Babu Khan, Siddhi Gulam and Siddhi Ahmad became coalition and waiting for chance to kill Narasimha Reddy and capture the Andol throne. Venkatrao Pantulu was Prime Minister and Keshavarao Pantulu was Chief of Army. Lakshminarayana was treasurer in the court of Narasimha Reddy. They were very loyal and to royal family and supporting to king's administration and grievances solving of common people also. Siddhi brothers feeling very jealous and to plotted a kill King Narasimha Reddy. During the time of Ramzan, they invite king to iftar party and offered food with poison. King was died immediately. Below poem, one poem is there. Varegina Tari Siddhi Kumarlu China Narasimha Mahipati అరయ విందుకు తోడుకొని దూరాలోచనము లేక దునిమిరి అతని. In this poem written by Kundiri Tirumalacharya, he wrote Shaurya Raja Vamshavali Charitra. Political intellectual, master, efficient administrator and gifted prowess, Raja Narasimha Reddy was died in 1760 AD. Maharani Shankaramma not only lost her husband and Andol fort also lost its glory. After some conspiracies and machinations faced by Rani Shankaramma, according to Dharma Shastra, power followed by Rani Shankaramma only, but mother-in-law Shivayamma played a key role and his adopted son wife Lingayamma take throne of Andol. Siddhi brothers became de facto rulers and they brought Sanat from Nizam Ali Khan on the name of Lingayamma. Powerless Rani Shankaramma think broadly and supported Lingayamma only in his administration. Taking this situation as advantage, Siddhi brothers imposed many taxes on common people. They collected war tax also. People were fed up of this situation and they were waiting for Shankaramma's rule only. During this phenomena, time gave an opportunity to Shankaramma. Maharashtra was ruled by Madhavrao Peshwa. He invaded on Nizam. Nizam asked the help of Lingayamma to do war at Kulda. They sent Shankaramma to war to take a chance to assassinate her. Peshwas were masters of guerrilla warfare method, but Shankaramma has very less army and they untrained also. During night time she ordered to army to tie oilcloth to horns of buffaloes and lightning ran fastly towards a hill on Peshwa's army. She was master of horse riding, Karasamo and Kattisamo also. In battlefield, she evicted Maratha's army towards Aurangabad. In this way, she elaborated Nizam's possession not only on Telangana state but Karnataka and Maharashtra also. With Trump, she went to Nizam court and announced defeating the Peshwas. Nizam offered a title Rayabagin and 40,000 Asarfia. In 1760 AD, Shankaramma became ruler of Andol state. She divided princely state as 24 parganas and appointed efficient representatives. She appointed one police Patel, Karanam, Kaimala Patel, Neerudu Varu, and she established good local self-government system in all villages. Gram Sabhas working very actively and they fulfill the needs of common people. And Shankarampet fort. This fort was built by Rani Shankaramma during the time of her reign only. This is sub-kingdom of Andol state. At the height of 400 meters, this fort was built and divided two parts. One is Devdi and Chavdi. Okay. Nizam gave title is Raya Bagin. Raya Bagin means a lioness. Life of Rani Shankaramma is a hidden story in Medak history. She have good leadership and heroic qualities. In local folk history, she very much illustrates as Apara Rudrama. And thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you.